decision. And for me, kayaking in 2020 was, not literally, but a lifesaver. Like it was, when I started kayaking and getting on the water again, I was left with my own thoughts and charged with my own experience. It's much different than if you go to like a resort or an amusement park where, they're just sort of milling through these experiences that they're responsible for, but you're just sort of not really participating in, you're just witnessing, right? But when
Yeah.
you're kayaking, you're totally in charge of your experience. And there's just something about that.